Hey guys, this is Dr. Vic here, and I first want to say happy Monday. This Monday, I want to talk about pregnancy and health in the aspect of how do we change the future of healthcare. And one of the ways we do that is through improving the practices when it comes to pregnancy and the birth process. You see, in today's world, in the United States, you would think with all the money that we spend on healthcare across the board, you think we'd be number one when it comes to a lot of things when it comes to health. But unfortunately, we rank more on the bottom of a lot of these things. When it comes to the richest nations in the world, top 11, we're ranked dead last. When it comes to infant mortality, we're ranked number one. And that's not a good thing. So when we look at our health, we need to shift gears. When we come to maternal health, we're ranked 60 something. And so that's not acceptable. And we continue to use the same model over and over and over. And, as Einstein said, if you continue to do the same thing over and over and expect a different result every single time by doing just the same thing, that's insanity. And, you can't keep with this. Einstein also said you can't keep with the mind of the problems of today cannot be solved with the same mind that created them, which means you have to think outside the box. You have to choose something different. And in this workshop I have coming up this week, it's on Thursday night. It's March 14th, 7 p.m. It is online. What this program is going to be is really showing a different option that we can do when it comes to women in pregnancy, when it comes to the birth process. How can we help women when it comes in their pregnancy, when they're pregnant, and all the things that they're going to go through? What are support systems that they may need? What we would recommend? More importantly, what are some things that are based on science to show that we can really transform and help women have a better pregnancy, less stress on mom, right? Which will end up having less stress on baby, which in turn creates healthier pregnancies, which is going to allow for baby to come out in a less healthier pregnancy, less stress on the baby, and it can help the overall process. Now, why do I say that, wow, starting from pregnancy can change healthcare? Is because I truly believe the way babies are being born today in America, in the United States, we have 35% a C-section rate, and that is skyrocketing. Research shows it doubled since 2000. When we look at that, when we look at the different procedures and interventions that are being used, the multiple ultrasounds, the vaccinations during pregnancy, when we look at, different, if it's using forceps or using a vacuum, are we doing ECVs, turning the baby because they're breech? What are methods that we are performing that maybe actually creating more issues down the road? And I'll be sharing a lot of that research and so much more, and what are things we can do to help from a holistic standpoint. So check out the workshop. It's going to be 7 o'clock on March 14th, Thursday night. Again, there is a replay option afterwards, so if you can't make it at that time, just register before 7 p.m., and then you'll have a whole entire weekend to watch it on demand. Any questions you have, please direct message us. Or check a link in our bio. To register, just click on the link below, or check out the link in our bio and you can go ahead and register, get set up for that. Do it right now. Don't forget. I'll see you Thursday night. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing Monday.